In today's video, I'll show you how to file your taxes in Canada using TurboTax online. Start by visiting the official TurboTax website and signing in, or create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the tax filing section and click Review and Edit to check your previous entries. Next, fill in your personal profile with your name, address, and social insurance number. Accuracy here is key to avoid issues later. Now, report your income by entering all relevant documents like T4 slips and follow TurboTax's step-by-step guidance. After that, enter your deductions, credits, and expenses, including RSP contributions, student loan interest, and medical costs. Finally, review your summary, make any adjustments, and follow the prompts to securely file your return with the Canada Revenue Agency. And that's it. Filing taxes in Canada with TurboTax is simple and stress-free.